So, what I'm saying is we should definitely go get the thing. What is the thing anyway? The purple monkey thing. Guybrush, there is no purple monkey. Captain Ivan just made it up to keep you occupied while he did his own thing. Actually, I think I know where it is. It should be around that library place. Here, monkey. Guybrush, I'm done now. You can't stand around here looking for a purple monkey I made up to occupy newbies. But it's gotta be around here, I just know it. Guybrush, just go home. Fine. So I guess there's no purple monkey. Exactly. Whoa, is that a purple monkey? Hey, he's talking to me.